So we are here in Costa Rica. I've been the last days doing some paperwork just in the city, but now as you can see we're in the jungle. We are traveling to Arenal. It's a beautiful place, and look at this. Just look at that huge tree. This tree is it's about there's a sign that says it's about 500 years old, and it says that I'm the last one of my brothers. It's huge. This makes you be humble. This literally makes you like humble. Those are the roots. It just goes and goes and goes and goes. And we're in the store, and there's a bird in the store. Try to look for food. Good old food.
De hecho, esta sí es la montaña que se veía allá. Falta, bro. Idealito.
Ah, no, sin problema.
Wow, qué extremo. Estamos lettering. Wow, we're crossing a river.
So we made it. Everyone is nice and coached up, tired. Look at those two. Yeah, we're gonna soon start making food and just chill tonight. We're tired. Okay, we're here. This is the Airbnb. The guy is sleeping, chilling out. Francisco's right there, just chilling out as well. Will, he's playing. And I'm sleeping there. That's the bathroom and the kitchen. Then we go outside. Ooh. The pool. Yeah. And we got our pizza and everything we ate. Oh, it's getting foggy. The AC is yeah. AC is important here. I had the wrong lens, but still, we're walking here. We came out to take pictures. That's what I have. This lens. We're just hanging out. We've been outside this day, the whole day. I haven't saved you guys with me because I have been trying to pass all the pictures and stuff. But yeah.